Hello everybody, it's Kaisale and today we are going to see how can we make a fluffy material. Here we have this cube. We are going to shading. Here we have to set the render engine to Eevee and make it like this. And in here, particle properties, we add hair and these, for example, 0.4 and Sunseed and hair dynamics, and here we have children in interpolated. We have this on this number and maybe a little more threshold. Maybe a different color like this. Here we have this fluffy material. There are so many ways to have fluffy material, but I think it's the easiest way. Thank you to be with me. Hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe for more videos. See you!